Hi guys, I'm Tasarnia and I am a social media influencer and makeup enthusiast. And today I'm going to be sharing with you a look that I'm going to create with the new Foschini Beauty All Woman range. And the theme today is warrior makeup, and this is going to be my interpretation of warrior. It's kind of a bohemian warrior. Maybe something to match my loud hair, but yeah, so that's going to be my look for today and my inner warrior in makeup. So I'm going to be using the All Woman Perfect Matte Foundation, and I'm going to be using it with my beauty blender, and I am in the shade Terra, not Terra, Terra. Next, I'm going to be using the Eyebrow Perfect palette. I'm going to be using probably the darkest shade, because I like my eyebrows to be dark. So that one over there, just to give more definition to my brows. My next step is basically going to be to use, I think I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow. So I think this palette, because it's really pretty, so I'm going to use the I Am Power palette, which looks like that. How beautiful is that? So I'm going to start with the lighter shade in the palette. I've already put foundation in my eyes, so I'm just going to start with the lighter shade and then build darker from there. Okay, so I'm going to use these three shades to darken my crease, as well as just add a little bit more drama to the eye with the red. I just like to use glitter shades with a finger because it gives me a little bit more payoff of the product. And the product is so creamy in this palette that you want the most possible payoff that you can get. So now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to be using the Foschini Defining Mascara to just add a little bit more definition to my lashes. We're not going to be using any fake lashes because I think the mascara is enough. So I'm going to be using the contour palette, and in this palette I'm going to be using that shade, maybe a mix between these two. For highlight today, I'm going to be using the highlighter palette. I like gold tones, so I'm probably going to use this one and maybe a little bit of that, just to add a little extra highlight to the top of my cheekbones. I like to get my highlight popping, you know. So now to add my fierce element to my warrior look, I'm gonna use Pillow Talk in the Long Wear Lip Stain to create warrior lines, or just a little bit of extraness, is that a word? Extraness to my look.